If you're going to get the most out of a tablet PC, you'll want to get to know it first. In this video, we're going to show you how to get started and explore some of the advanced features of your new machine. Because there's no keyboard, a tablet PC has a very simple design. This is the brand new Samsung Galaxy Tab, and along the right-hand side there are just two slots, one for a micro SD memory card and one for a mobile phone SIM. At the bottom there are two speakers and a port for the docking cable. This is used for charging the tab and connecting it to the USB socket of your computer. There are also two cameras, one around the back for photos and HD video recording, and one around the front for making video calls over Skype or a similar chat program. The most important features are these four touch-sensitive buttons below the screen. Whatever you're doing, this one will take you to the home page, and this one brings up a menu panel. The menu will display different options depending on what application is currently running. The other two buttons are a back button, which will take you to the previous task, and a search button. You can use this to find contacts, emails, or applications. The first time you turn on your tablet, it will guide you through a simple setup process. You'll be asked to choose your keyboard settings and how you'd like to back up information. Then, enter details for an email account, and the tablet will automatically download and stay up to date with all your emails, calendar details, and address book. You can add other email accounts or passwords for Facebook and Twitter at any time just by pressing Home, Menu, Settings, Account Sync. Once you've finished the setup process, the first thing you'll see is the home page. This is like the desktop on your PC, except that because a tablet has a small screen, it's split into several different windows. You can scroll between these by swiping from left to right. Pressing the home button will always take you back to the first one. You'll see there's a mixture of shortcut buttons and widgets. Widgets are like program windows on your PC desktop. They can show things like the local weather and news, or help you to search the internet. There are widgets for things like Facebook and Twitter too. Pressing a shortcut icon, meanwhile, will launch an application in full screen mode. You'll notice there are also three more touch-sensitive buttons at the bottom of the home screen. The email and browser buttons are self-explanatory, and the applications key is like the start menu on a Windows desktop. Pressing it brings up a list of all the applications currently installed on your tablet. You can send a shortcut for any of these onto your home page simply by pressing and holding the icon down. Once it's there, you can move it by drag and drop. If you swipe your finger down from the top of the screen, you'll bring up this panel, which lets you turn on and off features like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to save battery life. How do you configure your network settings in the first place though? Simply press Home, Menu, Settings, and choose the option for Wireless and Network. From here, select Wi-Fi settings and log on. If you're within range, you'll be able to select the name of your network and your password. Perhaps the most important place you should get to know is the Marketplace. This is where you can download new applications or games for your tablet. There are tens of thousands of applications in the Android Marketplace, and you can either browse from the full list or use the search function to find what you want. Applications are categorized as apps, games or downloads, and then arranged by popularity. You can also sort them into those that are free or those that you'll need to pay to download. Some of our favourite apps are the BBC iPlayer for watching catch-up TV and YouTube for video clips. You'll spend a lot of time using the on-screen keyboard, so it's worth configuring it the way you want. Press Home, Menu, Settings, Locale and Text, and you'll see a list of options. Try changing it to swipe mode. Now, instead of pressing each key individually, just trace a word pattern over the letters and your tablet will work out what you're trying to say. Finally, the cable that arrives with your tablet can be plugged into the USB port on any PC to charge the machine. With this, you can copy music and movies to your tablet or back up its contents to your PC's hard drive. We've really only scratched the surface of what your new tablet can do here. As well as a games machine and portable entertainment centre, you can read ebooks, online newspapers, and use it as an in-car GPS device or phone. To find out more, have a look at our second video in this series, What to Look For in a Tablet Computer. Or just download a few apps and have a play.